Saya mi tokol sem. Mi play collecting record funding. Mi oklo skelim lo mi. Tisla moni am gue. One platok pisini tokol sem planti moni streta. Record windfall double 100%, 200%, kain percent. Tason mi play no lukim. Usai lukim. Deslam treasurer yad lukimo, finance minister yad lukimo. Executive government tason lukim na. Mi play all kada narna bay also monem. Mi play bay staff lo tutak na operate also. So, thank you.
Governor is masquerading on the other side. He knows very well, and that's for the public consumption and the use of social media that is masquerading. The final budget outcome is clearly establishes disbursements last year. Final budget outcome was released already. He wants to talk about MIFO. You ask the treasurer, when is MIFO coming? MIFO is media for this year's use of fund. You talk about last year, the point of reference is final budget outcome 2024. It is there, public record. Look at the disbursement. It talks about ECPIC not receiving TFF. I'll stand up here next week to tell exactly how much ECPIC received for TFF last year. So don't just mouth off as if you have the statistics before you. When you talk about last year, look at